but that it's coming from in between these two pegs. Now what we're going to do is, now we're going to E-wrap. Take your bottom loop over the top. We're going to E-wrap a row and then purl stitch a row. So E-wrap this first row, then we'll purl stitch next row. We are back at our beginning. Our first row is E-wrap. Second row we are going to purl stitch. Which purl stitch. Take the working yarn below, pull it up through the loop on the peg, take that off, put your new loop on. We're going to purl stitch row 2. Now going back and forth, purl stitch one row and E-wrap or knit stitch another row is going to give you a garter stitch. So we're going to do 6 rows of garter stitch. So it'll be E-wrap, purl, E-wrap, purl, E-wrap, purl. Okay, so go ahead and do that and then I'll show you what to do from there.